Yes, Mr. Motherpool, and as you can see now the turrets have been painted, and I won't say it didn't go without problems, but because it did at the back on the rear of this one, I've sorted that out okay as now. And because if you remember, on this box here had 3 circles on it, and they was meant to be at the back, because I actually made a mistake and turned it the wrong way around. So what I did is actually shave them off, and I have got 3 back on there. So if I just bring it around, I think you'll see there. I think you see the 3 circles. There they are on the back. So that's been done. I use a die punch for that, and that's perfect. And 0.1 I think it was, or so not too bad. 1 millimeter I think it was. Anyway, so 3 of them. So this one is the rear turret nearer the structure. This is the centre turret with the big anti-aircraft gun, and this is the very front one with very little on the back, but basically, as you can see. So if I do it like that and then bring that one in like that, it's sort of like this. There we go. I'll leave it like that. Gives you an idea. Anyway, so you can see they're done. What I've got to do now is take those 6 turrets I did that go on the side of the superstructure, 3 either side, because they've got to have the same colour. Dark colour on the top, so be doing that. I did this by hand, and then what I did to sharpen it up I used Vallejo, I used 7995 to do it, because I wanted a darker colour than what I got here. And to be honest, whether it's exactly right, I'm not sure, but to me it looks the part, so that's all that matters to me anyway. So what I'm going to be doing is the same on the actual other turrets. Now what's going to happen on the rear of this one here, or is it that one? Which one is it? I'll find out. Oh yeah, it's this one. It has 3 dinghies on the back, life dinghies. I'll show you the instructions actually. These 3, and then I'm going to make these 3 plus 6 others, because the little turrets have them on the top as well. So what I'm going to do is once I've done the 6 turrets, I'm going to be working on the dinghies so I can put them on there. This gun is the only I could make one of them and put it on the top of here, because that's where it goes. And yeah, so quite pleased with it in the end. Learned a couple of things when I was spraying, but when I was spraying, basically, once I've done it, to sharpen it up, I sprayed at an angle this way. So I was spraying upwards, and it worked out really well. Hello, what's that? Oh, that is it. It's still the same. That's okay. So yeah, so that's what I did, and it did work out nicely. So all I've got to do is paint inside the barrels a black colour to give it some bit of depth, even though it looks not too bad anyway. These things look overscaled to me, but of course the lip is a lip, and then it still goes round. So, and I managed to keep the lip all the way around these little tubs. But of course, once you've got the anti-aircraft guns in there, it's going to look quite busy anyway. So there you go. So that's what I'll be doing. So next job is that, and this believe it or not, the turrets are what you're meant to do right at the end. So I've skipped that to do it. So because then you're just left with these, and there's the turrets I'll be putting on. You can see there's oops, you can't see a thing, can you? There's the turrets, these turrets, and you put the life belts on them. I'm going across, so give them a bit of detail on top, and they've got photo etch oars I can slip into there as well. So slip in each one. But the ones on the turret are going to have straps, and these will have straps as well to make it look as if it's actually strapped down to something, because otherwise it'll just look as if it's just sitting on top. There you go. So, and so yeah, and that gives you the right positions, as you see, the front one, middle, and underneath I've actually put front, rear, middle and rear anyway, so, but I can't make a mistake on that one, and then they're quite a reasonable fit anyway. So, and I didn't have to put any weights in the turrets, because when I put them down once with the things on, with the tops on, it leveled it off as well. So there you go. So I'm happy with that so far, and she's moving along nicely, and I'm gonna get on with this painting now for the other 6. So happy modelling. Ron's doing a great job on his Iowa, and doing a bit of hand painting. I'm always making the odd joke every now and then about his gas bottles. He never lost his bottle putting them on. Anyway, that's one, Ron. Well done, Ron. Anyway, you're doing a great job. So anyway, so back to hand painting. Catch you later. Happy modelling.